Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make a 11th Doctor in his Raggedy Man attire. So without any further ado, let's get into this. To start off, the legs come from this Obi-Wan Kenobi, but really, any brown legs will probably work fine. The torso and the arms come from this Hans Moleman minifigure. And finally, the hands, head and hair come from the official 11th Doctor minifigure. If you've done it correctly, your minifigure should now look like this or something similar. Feel free to pause here if you need a reference photo for when you're building it. Even though they definitely don't perform the best, I really enjoy making these Doctor Who customs, and I think this one is another good one to go along with the 10th Doctor and the 8th Doctor, as well as 9 and Rose. If you have any ideas for customs you'd like to see, feel free to leave a comment down below or reach out to me on my Instagram. If you enjoyed this video, maybe give it a like, and if you really enjoyed it, maybe you could subscribe. I will link the 9th Doctor video on the end screen now, as well as my Star Wars playlist if you like Star Wars.